If you're like me, you drive your car for business. You also claim those miles on your taxes. But do you forget to log your miles? Guess what? Everyone does. It's just too easy to forget, and most of us don't even try to log them. But when tax time rolls around, we still claim that deduction. We just write down some random percentage and pray that we never get audited. Well, you don't have to worry about that anymore. Meet the Mileage Ace. Your mileage log can be totally automated, forever. It's perfectly accurate and 100% IRS compliant. The Mileage Ace goes right in your car. Just install it and forget about it. As you go about your business, it's right there, using GPS to log every mile. When you return home, it automatically uploads all the data over Wi-Fi through your home network, your phone's hotspot, or any other network you choose. All of your trips can be accessed online. Each one will have a starting address, the miles driven, the path you took, and the destination address. You can set any trip to business, add your purpose, and even apply a client. And the Mileage Ace is so affordable that after less than 500 business miles have been logged, it's paid for itself by guaranteeing your deduction. Why would you go without a mileage log when it can be this easy and affordable to have one? It just makes sense. You take care of your business. Let the Mileage Ace take care of your miles.
The B-Pro hands-free car speakerphone is easy to use. It comes with a convenient car charger and USB cord. Simply connect the two parts and plug it into the car lighter socket. Once the B-Pro is charged, slide the power switch to on. Then, hold the voice command key down for a few seconds to select your language. Now, pair the device to your phone through Bluetooth, and it will let you know when it is connected.
Connected.
Simply slide the B-Pro onto your sun visor and you're ready to go. Use voice commands to answer calls by saying yes,
Yes.
and decline calls by saying no.
No.
Make a call by pressing the voice command button to activate Siri. Call Peter Thompson.
Calling Peter Thompson.
The B-Pro speaker will also play music and GPS directions from your phone. Order yours today.
run multiple applications on the MaxiCheck diagnostic system. Simply tap the multitask button on the right side of the screen to open up a multitask menu. Now you can freely switch among multiple applications. Let's begin. Start the MaxiCheck system. Tap the diagnostic icon and access the vehicle OBD diagnostic menu. Select Auto Scan to run a full diagnosis of all vehicle systems. You can review the records of all DTCs and freeze frames. And if you need to check reference information, the MaxiFix database is always available. Just tap on the Multitask button to open a multitask menu and then select MaxiFix to begin a reference search. Select the Data Manager. Tap on the specific file type to view the stored information as an image, a PDF, a freeze frame, or as data logging. You can read feedback from technicians and have direct conversations with them in the Support Platform portal. It's the quickest way to find solutions for your diagnostic issues.
Hey, this is Steve from Hurst Performance. Today I'm going to show you a little how-to video on one of the Hurst automatic shifters. This one here is called the Pro-Matic series shifter. And this is a ratchet style shifter. Now from park to reverse, it has a lockout feature. You can't bump it into gear or accidentally pull it into gear. You have to pull up on the handle, that unlocks it into reverse. From reverse to neutral, just push back once. Now neutral to drive, you got to push down and then pull it back. So you're going to go down and back, that's drive. Then you got second, then you got first gear. Now first to neutral, it's a ratchet motion. You pretty much hit as hard as you want to each gear. It'll never skip a gear. So first to second, second to drive, drive to neutral. And when you get to neutral, you can't go any farther forward because you got a reverse lockout. So to get into reverse, you got to pull up on the handle to unlock it and then walk it forward once. Now you're in reverse. And reverse to park, all you got to do is pull up on the handle again and then push it forward. Now we're back in park. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow Hurst on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Every day, Delphi is making it possible by driving meaningful innovation. As a global technology leader, we're developing fully integrated automotive solutions for new mobility's toughest challenges. We are powering a better drive today for a better future tomorrow. A future with zero accidents and zero emissions. At Delphi, we are dreamers who do. We're working hard to prevent vehicle accidents before they occur, making safe possible by developing affordable active safety systems for the mass market, systems that help reduce driver workload and distractions. We're making green possible by minimizing a vehicle's environmental impact. Our solutions further reduce emissions, improve fuel economy to meet and even exceed regulatory compliance, all while delivering exceptional performance. We're making connected possible by connecting to everything, safely, anywhere, at any time. Today, we're developing the electrical architecture needed to manage the ever-increasing complexity and data requirements of future vehicles. We are at a moment where the convergence of technology and mobility will transform our world. Delphi is pioneering the next wave of intelligent vehicles, bridging the gap between technology and transportation. The best way to predict the future is to create it. It's not about what we make. It's about what we make possible.
I've done it. We've all done it. And that's why we made Dashbot.
Dashbot. Get funky.
Dashbot is a $49 robot for your dashboard. It works with any car and installs in seconds. Connects to your smartphone and controls your music, maps, and messages with just your voice.
Dashbot. Text Dave, there in 5.
Text Tim Dave, there in 5. Ready to send?
Yep. Dashbot. Are we there yet?
You'll arrive around 7:30 p.m. Turn left on Jefferson in 1 mile.
We designed simple visual cues with all the information you need to find your way.
And added support for playlists, podcasts, and all your favorite online streaming services.
Best of all, your phone stays where it belongs, in your pocket.
Dashbot, take us home.
Kickstarter, we need your help. To sell Dashbot for $49, we need to make a lot of them. That's where you come in. Back Dashbot on Kickstarter today. Thanks. Now you're driving with robots.